Welcome everybody to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. So I've got here to the north and now I had an absolutely lovely vegan meal at Rai Wayon. Come on, say it right. Ra Warong. Okay, better. But that's Lynn Nichols' vegan restaurant. So I'm now heading up to the world famous, infamous, spiritual waterfall, where we're going to get some natural, oh gosh, the most amazing energy. It really is. Oh, look. Busy ants. Busy ants. Look. Now, look, step over them, not onto them. Interesting place, gotta say. Do you want to have a look? So, top at mountain is there, lass. Ilkley Moor by Tat is over there, I think. Basically, look at, it's just, you're blooming deep in the forest, man. I'll shut up now. I'll just keep walking and show you the wildlife. Butterfly, flutter by. Now, they're having a blessing up there. That's so beautiful. Don't interfere, Mr. Bajerski, with your Western culture. Get yourself off. Leave people alone. Try to blend, Mr. Bajerski. Blend. Become part of nature. Understand nature. Feel it. And when you speak to nature and speak to the locals or anybody around here, speak with love, compassion, unity, wisdom. Beautiful colours, eh? Look at that. The butterflies are absolutely gorgeous here. Clever how they've built this, eh? Must have taken ages to build this. Direct the water down the mountain so all the villagers enjoy the benefit of watering, irrigation, and free. Not like us in Spain. Ah, look. I don't know what that is. I don't think that's durian. I'm not going to try it, just in case it is. So many fruits. Size of that tree. They're what you call trees. That's not a knife. This is a knife. That's not a tree. That's not a tree. This is a tree. Yeah, beautiful. I see no wildlife yet. I see no gorillas in the mist yet. I see no chimpanzees. But I'll let you know, I'll keep you informed. I see no chimps. No monkeys. Wow, look at that. Is that what you call bamboo? Jeez, that's huge. That is bamboo. Look at the size. That'd make one big fishing rod. If you like fishing, I do not. Size of them rocks. They roll down that mountain, eh, from there. Madre mía. Hi. Speak English? No? Up here, Burger King? Burger King?
No.
No? McDonald's? No?
No.
Only joking. Nice to meet you. I capture a glimpse of the beautiful waterfall. Let's get some natural ozone in us. Come on. Just you stay up there and don't be falling down. Well guys, to say that my ankle broke, doing pretty well guys. It feels like it's never broken. It never got broke. That's how strong it feels, and that's called healing. Okay, now he says that, watch him trip up and break his other ankle. Madre mia. Now that's what you call a big tree. Hello, Mr. Tree. Sounds like there's a load of people there. Oh my goodness. Was it worth the wait, listening to my nonsense? I'll shut up now and you tell me what you think.
Oke, kita gambar-gambar dia.